Ajay Shah was very happy to start his own business, a spare parts factory. He even made a big investment and bought a huge compressor, only to find out the demand for electronics dropped as the festival season was over. Without a choice, he sold his compressor at half the price and cut his production down, resulting in a huge loss. Sometime later, he suddenly sees the demand for electronics going up. Hopeful, he buys a small machine to meet the increasing demand. But pushing the small machine to its limits results in complete breakdown, inviting downtime, a huge maintenance cost, and a lot of stress. Mr. Shah doesn't know what to do. That's when he looks over to Ms. Shreya's factory, Globalcom Solutions.
Hello Shreya, we are from Atlas Copco Specialty Rental. Thank you for choosing Boom Services, long-term rentals.
Ajay learns how quick and easy it is to swap equipments with the changing demand of the market. Shreya is happy to have chosen Boom Services by Atlas Copco Specialty Rental. Ajay watches in wonder. Soon, Shreya even wins an award for meeting the shifting demands and helping her business scale to newer heights.
Shreya, how did you achieve all this?
I chose Atlas Copco Specialty Rental for mental peace.
She continues.
The Boom Services, long-term rentals gives me the agility to scale as per market demands and changing seasons. They help me in building, owning, operating and maintaining as I don't have to worry about balance sheets too. Why should I choose to make a huge one-time capital investment when I have the option of contract-based arrangement where I don't waste my time predicting the markets and instead focus on business growth?
Hello Mr. Shah, thank you for choosing Boom Services. Have a nice day.
With Boom Services, long-term rentals, I see my business grow, my peace of mind return and my family happy.
Does your business make you choose between peace of mind and profit?
Call Atlas Copco Specialty Rental for mental peace today.